In this video, we will show you how to replace your cup holder insert on the Chevy Trailblazer. This will be located right inside your center console. Let's get into it. All right, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new cup holder insert. Looking at this, you can tell it has two little tabs. Those will go from one side to the other. We don't want to have them front to back because it won't lock in. We'll take this, align it, and press it down into the center console. Once you feel as though you have it completely pressed in, go ahead and take hold of that. We'll give it a little wiggle to make sure it's completely secured. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.